If you're delivering a water efficiency behaviour change project, evaluation should happen before, during and after your work. The Waterwise Evaluation Toolkit has two parts, a PDF guide and a spreadsheet to complete. Before you begin, read through both documents, and if you run into any issues, the Waterwise team is here to help. Evaluation is a structured way to understand what your intervention achieved, who it reached, and why it worked. The spreadsheet is where you work through your project step by step. It follows the ROMEF cycle: rationale, objectives, appraisal, monitoring, evaluation and feedback. The spreadsheet is organised into 3 clear stages: A, before, B, during, and C, after. In the before stage, you define your rationale, objectives and evaluation approach. During delivery, you review ethics, data protection and monitoring. This includes reviewing your project against the 4 Good framework. The 4 Good framework is fairness, openness, resistibility, goals, opinions, options and dignity. After the project, you summarise your findings in the final feedback tab. And when you're ready, share what you've learned with Waterwise. The toolkit integrates the Water Efficiency Confidence Scale to record your level of confidence in the evaluation. The spreadsheet uses colour coding to guide you through planning, monitoring and feedback. You can start using the toolkit at any stage of the project. If you don't have all the answers, don't worry, record what you can. The toolkit is designed to be simple and user-friendly, so start early, work through the questions and review regularly. Jump in, give it a go, start exploring the toolkit today.